Hey everyone, Susie here. Thanks for tuning in today. Hope everybody's doing well out there. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some of my favorite Dollar Tree cleaning products. So I have been shopping at Dollar Tree for a long time and I do really like some of their cleaning products. It's definitely hit or miss. Some things are better than others. And if you guys also shop at Dollar Tree, you'll know you have your favorites and then you have stuff that you're just kind of like, I'd rather just go ahead and pay the full price for some of these items. But some things at Dollar Tree are very good and very affordable at $1.25. Now Dollar Tree has some items that are also $1.75. So prices may vary because the prices are kind of changing. But from what I've been able to see, a majority of the products are still $1.25 that I could see in my local Dollar Tree. So I did make a list and I want to share with you guys those products. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And just before I get started, because we are actually in the process of moving, we're going to be actually moving within the next couple of weeks, probably not this coming weekend, but the one following. We're actually going to be moving our things. So here within 2 weeks, we're moving. I do have boxes in the background and it is the weekend, so I am doing laundry. You guys won't have to see this in the background for too much longer, which is so good. We're finally going to be moving into a house. You won't have to see this kind of stuff in the background. Thank goodness. I am so over just this filming situation. But I'm still here at the apartment right now, so I do want to share this with you guys. And another reason why I'm filming this type of video, where I'm kind of showing you guys things that I like at Dollar Tree, versus actually like filming, like using the products and things, because it is such a chaos with all the boxes everywhere. I just don't want to subject you guys to that kind of visual clutter. So I am filming a video that is in this kind of format, but let me know what you guys think of it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. My number one favorite thing that I really love, and these are not in any kind of order, but I just wanted to shout this out first, is the Good and Clean disinfecting wipes. So I like the lemon scent. They also come in a fresh scent. They're not quite as full as, like, say, the Clorox cleaning wipes that you would get at like Target, but for $1.25 they are really good and they have a very clean lemon smell to them. I haven't used the fresh ones yet. I've always just kind of got the lemon. I did try the lavender ones and I wasn't a big fan of those. I think I just like the lemon for my kitchen. Every time I get done cooking, I just like to wipe off my counters, wipe off my stovetop, and I like to use those cleaning wipes. They're also really good if like you want to clean off like some patio furniture or something else you want to clean off and you just need like a quick disinfecting wipe. They work really well, and they're pretty moist. They have like a good amount of product and solution, so they're not dry or anything. They just do a really good job. I remember buying them in the past, like a long time ago, and I found that they were really dry and I didn't enjoy them, but I repurchased them recently and I've been repurchasing them now ever since, just because I really like them and they're just very good quality. The number two favorite thing that I really like is Comet Cleaner. This is like a staple must-have in our house, is Comet Cleaner. Absolutely love it, and I just use it all of the time. We like to clean our bathrooms with it. It's one of the few cleaning products that really gets like grime and soap scum and like the dirtiness that accumulates at the bottom of the bathtub just from you like standing and washing in it. It just gets all that stuff. And our bathtub is kind of textured at the bottom for like grippiness, and the dirt just like really kind of accumulates in there. And Comet just does a really nice job of getting all that dirt and grime out. And I also like using it on the sides of the bathtub. I even use it to like clean the actual walls of the shower. I mean, it's just a all around wonderful cleaning product. We also use it to clean our bathroom sink, and you can even sprinkle it in your toilet for a makeshift toilet cleaner if you need to. But it's just wonderful. It does a very good job. It's cheap, it goes a long way, and it does have a very nice clean smell to it. And I find that it's one of the few cleaners that I'm not inhaling like a ton of fumes when I use it. So I just really enjoy using Comet Cleaner. 3 is the LA's Totally Awesome Cherry Blossom Cleaner and Degreaser. This is another one that I would use in my kitchen to clean off the countertops. I don't know that I'd really use it on my stove because when I cook sometimes and the grease will splatter, I just find that it's not quite enough to get like grease and things off your stovetop very well. But it's really good for the counters or like cleaning the outside of your microwave or cleaning around the sink, maybe cleaning off other appliances. I just think it's really nice. It works pretty good, and it has a nice clean like floral scent to it that's kind of cherry blossom-ish. It's just a really good, cheap, good cleaner. I think they're kind of going for like that Method brand, kind of dupe. I wouldn't say that it's the same, but it does a pretty good job for like counters, and I definitely enjoy using it for that. All right, the next one is the Works Toilet Bowl Cleaner. So this is the one that kind of comes in the little bottle, and it's got the little squirty thing, and you can kind of squirt around in your toilet. We use Clorox, the little cleaning things, the little Clorox cleaning pods now, so I don't really buy this anymore, but my parents do, and it's a wonderful cleaner. I actually used to buy it in the grocery store. This one is just like a little bit of a smaller size than the one that comes in like the grocery store, but it's really nice because you can really kind of get it around the inside of your toilet bowl and then take your toilet brush and just really give it a good cleaning in there, and it just gets out all that like nastiness out of the toilet, cleans it, refreshes it. It's really good, and it's cheap, and it does a very good job of effectively cleaning your toilet. Next, I have the Multi-Purpose Cleaning Paste 7 ounce. So this is a dupe of the Pink Stuff cleaner, which it comes in the little tub, and they also apparently now have a bottle of the cleaner, which I haven't actually seen. I've only ever seen the paste. I really want to actually go to Dollar Tree, I think tomorrow, and I'm going to see if I can find the actual cleaner in the bottle, because I'd really like to try to use that on a ceramic cooktop, which our house has, and we also have it here in this apartment, so I can kind of give it a go and see how I like it. But the Pink Stuff works really well, and this is pretty much a dupe for it. You just get some of it and you can clean pretty much anything. You can clean your faucets, you can clean in your bathroom, you can clean in your kitchen, your stovetop, wherever you could clean multi-purpose cleaners on something, that is pretty much where you would use this cleaning paste. So if you do like the Pink Stuff, you might want to pick this one up and try it out as well. All right, the Blue and Bleach cleaning tabs for your toilet. Love these things. I also actually really like the ones that are just the plain bleach tab. Those are really nice. You just drop them in your toilet bowl and they keep it clean and fresh for a long time. I personally have actually found that these work really well. Our toilets, because we live here in Florida, and anyways, the mold just accumulates in the toilets just because of the humidity in the air. So it's really important to kind of use like a bleach tab in your toilet. That way it keeps that mold at bay. We also clean our insides of our toilets with bleach once a week. So we definitely kind of go over and beyond with cleaning our toilets. I know we're like crazy about cleaning the toilets, but I love using the bleach cleaning tabs just because they kind of keep everything fresh in between cleanings. And for me personally, that makes me feel a lot better about my bathroom being really nice and clean. And I really like those because for $1.25 for one is still cheaper than what you pay for like the Clorox bleach tabs. I think the last time I saw 6 was like $14. It was a little bit crazy. I would personally rather just go spend $1.25 and get a couple of them, and they're a pretty good size. So yeah. I have the Powerhouse cleaning gel little sticky things. So this is a little gel thing that you kind of put inside of your toilet bowl, and it actually comes out in the most cutest flower shape. It's so cute. It's like a little flower. It's so, so cute. They last just as long as the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet gels or the Lysol toilet gels, which I actually really don't like the Lysol brand ones. I don't know. They have a weird smell to me. I've tried 2 of them out from the Lysol brand and I just didn't like them. We only either get the Scrubbing Bubbles or I get the ones from the Dollar Tree, and I really like the ones from the Dollar Tree. They actually keep the toilet bowl, again, smelling fresh and clean in between cleaning. I also have the Home Bright Descaling and Cleaning Solution. So this is going to be cleaner for your Keurig or your coffee maker. You can actually use it in a regular coffee maker. My mom has like a drip coffee maker. It's the Ninja drip coffee maker. She actually put the descaling solution into the water tank and ran the coffee maker a few times until all that water went down and through the whole system out into the coffee pot. And then she did a clean rinse of water through the coffee maker, and it really helped clean out her drip coffee maker. And I also use it in my Keurig. I actually am due to do it now, so I'll probably be doing that tomorrow actually. But I really like this descaling solution. It's $1.25 at Dollar Tree. You can purchase the alternative, which is I think usually under $10 from Keurig, but it's still pretty pricey just for the bottle, whereas you can just go get this at Dollar Tree, same exact stuff, and if I'm being honest, I think it works better. And for my last one, it's the LA's Totally Awesome bleach, which I got the lemon scent the last time. I think this next time I'm actually just gonna get the regular like bleach scent. So this one is kind of like at the bottom of the list for a reason, just because I feel like it's not the greatest bleach, but it's a good bleach if, say, you are on a budget. I personally really like getting either Clorox bleach or like a store brand bleach. I just find that the Dollar Tree, the LA's Totally Awesome bleach, just doesn't have quite enough strength. It seems like it's not exactly watery, but it's like not a very strong bleach. We use it sometimes to clean out our kitchen sink, and I just can tell a difference when I use a regular like Clorox bleach or like a Publix brand or a different store brand bleach. It just seems to work a little bit better. But if, say, you need to clean like a whole house, or you're cleaning your apartment to move out, or frankly, you know, you're just wanting to clean a few things, you don't need like some crazy super strong bleach. This one is pretty good. It's cheap, it's affordable. You get a decent sized bottle. It'll do the job of cleaning your clothes, it'll clean your bathrooms, it'll clean your kitchen, whatever you need it to do, and it'll do a pretty good job of it. Just keep in mind that it's not going to be the strongest bleach that you're ever going to use. Well, that is my whole list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like some of these products down below, or what is your go-to Dollar Tree favorite cleaning products. I'll see you guys in my next video. The next few weeks is going to be a blur, so I'm going to try to get videos up as well as I can, but I am going to be moving for probably the next 2 weekends. So if you guys don't see videos from me, I'm trying my best, but I'm also trying to move at the same time. But I will do my absolute best to make sure there is still content coming out for you guys, if at least once a week. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever it is where you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.